My name's Jo Nelson. I'm the director for TAP This Valley Works. I've been with TAP about 17 years now, and I oversee workforce development, youth services, and homelessness services. Project Discovery is a really cool program. It's probably one that I'm the proudest of. Project Discovery is really about working with first-generation students who've never had anyone in their family go on to college, and it's about helping them discover the road or the journey to college. And the Certified Medical Assistant program trains people to work in doctor's offices and in clinics. It pays a living wage from an 8 to 10 week course, and most of them have jobs before they ever leave here. It gives them lots of options long-term to move up in the healthcare profession. Roanoke is truly a medical hub. We can make sure their clinics and their officers are staffed with well-qualified, cheerful people who know how to help patients. And so that's where we see our role and why this is so important to us.
My name is Latifah Trent, and I am the Youth Service and Education Manager for Total Action for Progress, TAP. Project Discovery has a college access program. Not only do Project Discovery give you the tools to be able to seek higher education, like FAFSA or understanding Common App, or even helping you with assisting with essays. We've been incorporating coping mechanisms, self-discipline, as well as communication and relationship skills. We also take them out on college trips, and we will try to incorporate like some cultural enrichment activities as well as some fun. This program is a huge step towards reducing generational poverty. To see that change in a child is priceless.
Well, my name is Darcel, but everybody calls me Darcy. My name is Darcy Yates. So one way Project Discovery helped me prepare for the real world is they helped me decide that maybe I want to do college. I'll be attending Norfolk State University in the fall.
I'm Diana Talmadge. I'm an RN. I am the CCMA instructor here at TAP. So CCMA is Certified Clinical Medical Assistant. CCMAs work in outpatient clinics, and it's needed. The class itself is 9 weeks long, and during those 9 weeks, they learn both the clinical skills and the medical knowledge that they need to function as MAs. TAP's program is a back to work program, and that is the goal, to get people into a stable job where they can support their family.
My name is Brianna Duncan. I am in the CCMA program in the TAP, and it was the best opportunity to be able to just take a 9-week class and go into the medical assistant, be able to start another future after that. The experience has been amazing.